Silver is 3D Dual Brush. This is a special, it's shaped, length, and size that is perfect. It working with Glitz 40 gels give you a best of the best is technique, so then you don't have to worry about using any other brush or using any solution at all. So I have my is brush right here in front of me, and I just simply use. A lot of you were asking, how do I get the beads out of it? Just open the cap, and all you need is using, you see that crystal picker, I don't know why is I got that one, and you're just using other end dot two. Glitz used to have the tool that you can able to pick the 40 gels up, but you don't have to do it now because we have the dot tools on the other end. You can definitely use this and pick up some beads. Okay, so it's all you need to do is just pick the smaller beads, the smaller portion of your 40. Only simple is you just roll it gently, no other solution needed at all. If you want the paddle to be big, get your size of your beads bigger. If you want the paddles to be smaller, it depends on the length of your nails or the client's nails, okay? And then if you think it's too big, you can always like take it off and put it back in. And if you need more, you can always get it out and get more. So I got like a 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 first layer petals. The petal is a little bit bigger, 1, 2, 3. The second petals, the second layer is going to be a little bit smaller. And I also have the Honest Brown 40 gel, and then the Deep Green and 40 gel. You can, or you can have an emerald. Emerald is so adorable. I don't know where my emerald is, probably in another box. So but I have it right in front of me here, so I'm gonna do. So for the 40 gel, you do not need to do anything else. When you're done with your nail, you finish it, and then make sure you have in one layer of your no wipe top coat, and cure for 30 seconds, and then you can able to start the 40 gels right away. I'm gonna see my no wipe top coat somewhere. Is a matte top coat. I was cleaning up really well and I don't see it somewhere. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. You can do your as it doesn't matter. You can do from the sides right here, and you can do your sunflowers in the angle right here, the corner, and then 2 of them, or you can do the big one, like a big one like this, big one, big like that. Doing a little one, big one. Doesn't matter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick the first bead first, right in the middle, and I'm gonna pick the second bead, and then we're gonna do the third beads. All right. Okay, so let's move this one on the sides and the nails designs. I'm gonna move it on the sides for just a second. You know what? Are you sure? All right, so let's start with this. So if you're doing your clients, no problem, but if you're doing for yourself, you can definitely turn it this way. Hold on, I need to move this 1 second. What are you doing?
Keep your hand in.
Okay. Okay, so only you need to do is your 3D dual brush. That's all you need. Press it down because it does designs like a 45-degree angles in a pointed grade. Press and release, press and release. Press in the center first and let's go. Press on the left and then go to the right and let it go. Keep in mind, you don't have to be perfect of the first petal, okay? You go 3 of them first and then you go back and you can able to adjust them. So then that way they're all in exactly the same. So if you don't want to get your petal to be the same size, you can get a different beads size. You can do a smaller beads, bigger beads. It's up to you, your clients. You can do a smaller petals for sunflowers. You can do a big sunflowers. I love big sunflowers. That's why I'm going to do this one for you. And you will never go wrong with this. You can take a nap and then get up and then doing again if you want to. It's not going to set. It's not going to dry until you are going to cure. So I get is a little bit of start with that. So go back again. I'm gonna like try to perfect it however you want. You don't have to do it like perfect at first, and then you can always go back. And I'm gonna using the tips of the do 3D dual ends brush, and then I am going to like press it down on any edges that I want. This will be the bomb for you to either whether you are doing it for yourself or you create it for your client. It will take you like effortless. Maybe less than a few minutes. You create this really cool, fun 3D for your clients. You don't have to worry about your beads gonna be set, because if I do acrylics, then my beads already like set by now. But I can still doing live for you, get a sip of coffee, and then still here and showing you.
And Luigi, yes, will be at Premiere Orlando. So if any of you guys gonna be at the show, come by our booth, 6851. We'll be there. Go say hi and grab some free good from us.
Yes, we're so excited to see everyone. This is our like 4th year to go back to Premiere Orlando. All right, so now if you're happy with this, yours going to cure. But before that, I'm gonna put my super cute little green first. We're gonna go ahead and hold on. I'm not gonna do that. Sorry, confusing. Just cure first, okay? Flash cure for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna go in the second layer. So now let me get a piece of paper. Can I get a piece of paper? No, the right that I can write on. Okay, here's the nails. I'm gonna show you, it's really simple and easy. Here's the nails. My drawing is not good, but I'm gonna show you the imaginate that how I got this designs down easy. Just draw this here, the nails. Sorry, my hand's in the dryer. And then if you're doing it in the corner on the cuticle area, we're gonna talk about that when we're doing a different design, but to talk about this one. So we're gonna do here the center. You want to first petal, and you're gonna do a second petal. Not good at drawing, but I will try my best. First, right? And then the second layer you're gonna go between these two petals and the first layer, and then same thing. Okay, so it's gonna look better when we start. And then here is the center, like a sunflower seed, and then some leaf right here. Okay, so let's move on the second layer. So now the second layers, we are going to put it right. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Can you grab it for me? I dropped my beads. It's funny. Can I use it? Can you imagine it? If acrylic is gonna dry right away.
That's down.
But this is sorry, I just had a goofy moment. I said, oh my gosh, I dropped my beads. Okay, it's in the middle of the two petals. And then I have a second bead. I'm gonna do it right in the middle of this too. And you can also doing it right here too if you want to. But if you're wearing your nails, you don't want it too bulky in here, then you can leave it alone. It looks so cute already. So what you need to do, move this one on the side. Press down first. Oh my gosh, if you do this on your nails, it's like really therapy. And it's so cool. And just don't play a lot. Like, don't have to be aggressive. Just press down really gentle, leave, and press it down and release. Doing this is so fun. It's more than like satisfying than just glass of wine. It's like you said, it's cool though. It looks like how I explain, like it's more than a playing slam. My kids love just playing slams. This is my like adult slam. I can play on this all day long. And especially it's fun and it's super easy. And if you're doing for the clients, guess what? You're satisfied. It's super cute, and also you are adding on your etiquette on the service as well. So press on and release, and let's go. All right, you can see that. As you can see, if the client's feeling it or you feeling it, it's gonna feel like a texture, and then you can create a look three-dimensional. I'm gonna turn it this way you can see it. See it cool? The best thing about a 4D gel, it will not cure. So if you feel like, oh, I'm not happy with this paddle, I'm gonna just like redo it, that's okay. Just leave it up and then roll it back up and place it back on the nails and do it again. It's not going to set. But if you're doing your beautiful acrylics powder, then it's gonna be set already. So it's just like pros and cons. Get the faster setting. All right, so if you want you happy now? And I'm gonna blend this one a little bit because we're gonna put the centers in there, like a the seed. All right, so cure for quick 30 seconds, fast cure, or like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you know. We're gonna do, like, you can do the petals like half or 1/3 of your sunflowers, or you can do the whole sunflower like this one. Okay, hold on, where I'm at, wrong way, right here. I'm doing a sunflower like here. Super simple and easy. All you want to deal with you can do 2 petals like the sunflowers, like this one is the 1/3 of it. So it's really fun. It depends on what you would like. All right, so now I'm going ahead and using, I might get a little bit of the 40, just one. This will be great for a lot of you love like a 3D flowers. So simple and easy. Okay, I'm gonna get a bigger beads and smaller beads. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. The leaves, you can do however you want. So I'm gonna pick one. And one right there. I usually put 2 of them next to each other. So like tiny. You can do bigger one, smaller one. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick my honest brown.
Mm-hmm.
And right here, okay. See, imagine it is acrylic. It's exact right away. Okay, I'm gonna using this is a dot tool. I'm just trying to a little bit of blend it out, and it won't hurt at all. All right. Cool, right? Super easy, simple. And you can continue still doing with the dot tool, and then I also gonna go ahead and using the dual and 3D brush as well. Right, so wipe the dot tool. That's an end. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the getting back in my 3D dual brush and press it down and release. Can you see on Facebook, Instagram, Twitch? Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. This is fun, cool. Either you are doing it for yourself or you are going to do for your clients. Press it down and go to the right Right down, go to the left and gently press it down. I'm gonna get the center right there. Down, down, down. Great. Using the tip of it so to draw the leaves a little bit pointed the way you want it. Go into the second couple of leaves right here. Press it down right in the center, and using the edges of your dual end 3D brush, and then you press it gently. You don't have to go too aggressive, okay? Just little soft, gentle, and press it down. And use the tip of it to really like draw the shape of your petals. I mean your leaves. Okay. And then with the Honest Brows, I'm gonna just move it a little bit and make it looks like a natural looks. And then you're gonna make a little bit of looks like a sunflower seed. Okay. You happy with this? We're gonna be final here for 60 seconds.